guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. So if we have the prices, links, and SKUs, you know the drill guys. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So make sure you capture and take a screenshot and check with your CAs. So I'm inviting you guys to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing founders. Click the little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! We have another batch of upcoming Louis Vuitton bags and I'm very happy to share them to you. Prices, SKUs, launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Thank you to Marquita LV Luxury, Info.LV, Gem_LV, LVX Val, Foxy LV for sharing these. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, so let us start first with the Atlantis PM. Price is €2,000. We have the SKU here. So the measurement, it's 17 centimeters in length. Height is 17 centimeters with 7 cm width. It's reverse monogram canvas with leather bag tag and leather crossbody strap. Next, we have a leather Atlantis PM. Price is €2,400. SKU is provided, made of beige leather. So it would come a leather bag tag with leather crossbody strap and removable handle fastener. It also has an inside zip flat pocket. So kindly stay tuned for the launch date. Then the size MM for the Atlantis. So here we have the leather version. SKU for noir and beige is provided. Price is €2,500. Made of leather. It has bag tag, 2 handles with removable handle fastener, inside zip flat pocket. Then we have the monogram canvas Atlantis MM. Price is €2,200. So for the monogram canvas in reverse monogram, we have the SKU here. It measures 35 cm by 33 cm by 13.5 cm. So here are some details, guys. So it's either we can order via the monogram canvas or the leather version. Then it comes with the removable and adjustable strap, signature bag tag, and removable handle fastener. Next, let's go to the Monogram Empreinte Collection. So I have discussed this previously, but we have more products for you. So first, we have the Zippy coin purse. Kindly stand by for the price, but we do have the SKU here. Launch date is September 1st and August 4th in core US. Then we have the Clemence wallet in the Monogram Khaki Empreinte Collection. Kindly stay tuned for or stand by for the price. SKU is provided. So this is part of the SLG Monogram Khaki Empreinte leather, gold hardware, and it has a multi-compartment with card slots. Then we have the very beautiful Felicie Pochette of the same collection. SKU is provided. I love the Monogram Khaki bicolor combination of this one. So as you can see here, I believe this would also come with 2 inserts still. Gold hardware with detachable gold chain. Then we have the Sarah wallet, still under the same collection. For the price, please do stand by. Once I have them, guys, I would be putting it on our community wall. So it features the same Monogram Khaki Empreinte leather, zip compartment, gold hardware with card slots. Next, still under the Monogram Khaki Empreinte Collection, we have the multi-pochette accessoire. Price is €2,400. So we have the SKU here, made of same Empreinte leather collection, 2 pochette. However, guys, please take note, this doesn't come with the round coin purse. Then new bag, we have the Capucine City Tour for the Pont Neuf. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price is 9,200 euro. So this one, hand embroidered detail, very gorgeous, smooth calfskin with the karung skin handle and embroidery made out of pearls and sequins. And then we have the new multi-wave pochette. So from the again guys, I cannot pronounce that. So price is 2,710 US dollars. We have the SKU here. So it's a pochette with round coin purse with gold hardware. Launch date September 1st. And then we have the Cousin pochette, dégradé sage. Price is 2,840 USD. We have SKU here. Features lambskin leather, monogram deboss with dégradé effect, gold chain, magnetic closure with zip pocket and multi-compartment inside. Then for the fall capsule collection, first we have the long wallet. So the color of this one is the Rouge Vermilion. This is a monogram canvas with Louis Vuitton logo in front, and this is a new canvas colorway. Launching of this new collection is September 14, 2023. Under still the same collection, we have the Trio Messenger. Price is 2,350 euro. SKU is here. So same colorway, Rouge Vermilion. So features the monogram canvas with Louis Vuitton logo. So this is 2 bags that is fully detachable with 1 key pouch. Then we have the Kipo 45. Price is 2,700 euro. SKU is here. So this is a different colorway. New canvas, red bag tag with black hardware. And then we have the very beautiful Kipo 25, still under the fall capsule collection. Price is 2,150 euro. SKU is here. The color is blue Atlantic. Monogram canvas, Louis Vuitton logo in front. Bag tag, black hardware with guitar strap. Then we have the Louis Vuitton backpack. Kindly stay tuned for the price and SKU. Color is the Rouge Vermilion, monogram canvas. Again, Louis Vuitton writing in front. Then we have the very beautiful and cute bag tag as well. We have a new design, guys. So this is a new Hobo Messenger. Price and SKU, please do stand by. Color is Rouge Vermilion. Guys, once I have more info regarding this up and coming collection, I'll be posting as well on our community wall. Then we have the pochette or clutch. Stand by for the price and SKU. Same colorway, Rouge Vermilion. So again, this is a monogram canvas with Louis Vuitton logo in front. This is a new colorway and it also features black hardware. Guys, we have more details with the Samoir BB. So price is 2,030 USD. The measurement is 7.9 inches by 6.3 inches by 3 inches. Monogram canvas with vachetta trims, and it has a magnetic lock closure with back pocket. So let us check out what can fit inside. So as you can see here, it could fit one phone, a key clay, a compact wallet with extra keys, and on the outside of the bag, on the back pocket, it could also fit one phone. I'm not really sure if this is a Pro or a Max, but pretty sure the Pro could definitely fit here. So this is a size comparison versus the Speedy 20. So as you can see, the Speedy 20 is a lot bigger, so definitely we could expect that what could fit inside the Samoa BB, definitely you could fit inside the Speedy 20 as well. Which bag do you prefer? And then here we have the model shot. So as you could see, the detachable strap is just like the Speedy bandolier, so you could easily adjust it and you could easily remove it, and you could wear it as a top handle like this, wear it on date nights. There, so guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a smiley with heart eyes emoji. I would really appreciate it. So guys, among the beautiful bags of Louis Vuitton that will be up and coming, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!